Children of God, believe it or not, one of the saints of the church was once deeply involved in Satanism. Saint Bartolo Longo. Remember the name? Saint Bartolo Longo lived in 19th century Italy and as a young man drifted away from the faith. In his search for meaning, he became involved in occult practices, spiritism, and eventually was ordained as a satanic priest. His life spiraled into darkness, fear, depression, and inner torment. He later testified that instead of power and freedom, what he found was emptiness and despair. Bartolo Longo's turning point came through the quiet but persistent influence of faithful friends and a Dominican priest who invited him back to prayer, especially the Rosary. He renounced Satanism, returned to the church, dedicated his life to the poor, and founded a shrine in honor of the Virgin Mary. The former Satanist became a witness of mercy, now honored as Saint Bartolo Longo.